Hello there, this is John from the Stadium YouTube channel, and today I have been back down to the Bramley Moore dock, first time in a while, to give an update, some new footage on what's happening and where the stadium build is up to. So let's get straight into the video, no messing about. Just to let you know, I have done this slightly different this time. I've edited out most of the, what I like to call dead footage, where I'm just getting the drone into position to bring you the shots that I do want to bring you. So a lot of that has been edited out. So let's start. Let's get into it. So we've got a fella or some workers on a scissor lift here. Looks like they're fitting them black panels, if you can just see them in the scissor lift there. And he's just about to pick one up, actually. There we go. So it looks like they are fitting them into place there on the... I haven't been down here for a while, so let me just get me the east side of the stadium. There he is, coming along. It looks like I got down there about lunchtime, so it looks like a lot of them are going for the lunch just there. I did come down last week and got a little bit of footage, and then it started raining, so I've just disregarded the footage in the end. It wasn't really enough to post about. I only got up to here and then it started raining, so we had to reschedule and bring the drone out of the air. But this, the side of the I forgot what it's called, the side of the roof, this silver, is it called barrel trussing or something like that, is still happening. Again, I think I've completely underestimated how long that is going to take. So, yeah, it's still happening. They have done it around the other side. I'm sure you have seen that. Obviously, I've been away for a while, but we are going to bring you them shots as well. I did get talking to one of the staff outside, who will remain completely anonymous, obviously. And he told me what the plan for the next phase is, so we'll tell you a little bit about that later on in the video. So, moving on to the north side of the stand, the stadium. This is the north stand. Get my words mixed up. Okay, there are lots of people on the roof, so we've kept a good safe distance away from them, but they are still laying the layers of roofing, cladding on the roof. I don't know where they've all gone. There was loads there before. Maybe they've moved around the other side. We'll see in a minute. Seats are still being installed. We did catch a crane inside. It looked like there was someone in. It looks like maybe a cherry picker actually rather than a crane. Looks like it did have someone in. My phone's just going off there. Let me just get rid of that. Yeah, looks like there's someone in there. Maybe they're doing something with the concrete terracing. But there are still seats to be going in to the side. Like, there's all them people on the south stand. We will show you them a little bit later on in this video. This is one of my longer updates. It's just under 11 minutes, so sit back and relax because we've got a long way to go. So just moving across to the north side. I was going to cut this bit out, but I just thought that we haven't seen this bit for a while. Obviously, I haven't. You may have from other people that do this sort of thing, but I just thought I'd keep it in just so you can see. Last time we were here, there was no stairs, concrete stairs in, and this platform that's being built wasn't as completed as it is now. So we're going to take a little good look at this. There are cranes in place, but obviously they're not doing anything at the moment. I'm sure they have been lifting all these the concrete steps into place. That's why they're there. So let's take a look at this entrance on the Merseyside, which would be the west side of the stand. Right, we're just gonna zoom out and take a good look at this. Here we are. So as I say, that side roof barrel roofing, cladding is coming along on this side as well. They must be doing that both sides at the same time, which makes sense, so it can all be done at once. If you do watch my videos, you're probably used to me not knowing what things are called. It is what it is. As I've always said, and I always will say, I'm just an Evertonian who wanted to cover the ground on my channel. I have no building experience or anything like that, and I'm always getting corrected by people, which is fine. It's the way you learn, I suppose. Okay, we're going to move around to the other side of the stadium now. So I've cut out all the flying, all the messing around, and we're just getting to the bits that you actually want to see. So there's been another gate installed on the main entrance, which is just there. I'm not sure whether that's going to be like some sort of turnstile gate or it's going to open out. But yeah, it's been fitted while I've been away from this. We're going to get round to the south side of the stadium now and take a look at what's going on there. Okay. So we've got a guy there in a cherry picker. We're going to look at what he's doing. So at this point, I was speaking to the guy who will remain anonymous, and he told me about a meeting that had taken place recently. So he told me, and this is not confirmed in any way, it's just what he was telling me, that the next phase of the project is to start fitting the pitch. Whether that's correct or not, I don't know. I'm just relaying what he said to me. So they're on this phase now, which is the side barrel roofing and whatever else they're doing. But the next stage, the next phase of this is to start laying the foundations for the pitch. So how true that is, we'll have to wait and see. He also said this guy on the cherry picker could well be removing scaffolding. It looks like they're moving on the roof there. They're moving, removing pieces of cladding, maybe to lay on that east side of the roof there. So we're going to, I think the camera's actually jolted a bit, so I apologise for that. I did try and recenter it, but the wind's just caught it, so it might be slightly off centre now, but you can still see completely what's going on. Right, we're going to move around to the back of the stadium now and take a look from the other side of this platform and whatever else is going on the west side. There is also obviously work going on down on the ground as well, but it does predominantly seem to be on the sides and the roof at the moment. You can see the water glistening in them panels just towards the bottom of the stand, which actually looks quite nice, quite cool. Okay, so just Sunday we are going to do a full fly round, weather permitting. As I always say, people do comment now and again, why don't I fly all the way around the site? I will never fly around the site while there are people present on site, because if the drone loses connection, then it will go directly to its home point. and I do not want to fly across the site, across the roof or anything like that while there are people there. So that is the only reason. I can fly around the site, but I choose not to, just in case that does happen. We don't want to be putting anyone in danger or anything like that. So that is how it is looking as of the 23rd of April 2024, and hopefully we'll be back. I'll record it Sunday and then probably put it out on Monday, or maybe put it out Sunday. Let's see what the weather's doing. But take care, have a great week, and we'll see you very soon.